The next thing I'm going to demonstrate for you on Inventor is the animation. This is going to be a video of our cube putting itself back together. We want it to be smooth and we want no pieces to move through each other, and we're going to try to change the view a couple times. So I'm going to go into Inventor. I've got my assembly already done. I'm going to go into the home screen and I'm going to come over here to where it says presentation. Once I'm in presentation, I'm going to want to bring in my 3D view. I'm going to click insert, or it might just automatically pop up like it did for me. And I'm going to insert my assembly. So now my assembly is in here. Now I'm going to do what's called tweak component to take it apart. So I'm going to start by going ahead and taking off this red square because I know it's going to be pretty simple and straightforward. So my options are to move things or to rotate them. I'm going to move it out of the way first. I can click and drag on any of these direction arrows to move it. My only rule is I really don't want it to go through this green piece or through this purple piece. So I'm going to click and drag it out this way. Then maybe I'll click and drag it out that way. And then I'm also going to go ahead and add a rotation just for like aesthetics. So I'm going to let it rotate a couple times just for fun. Once I'm done with that, I hit the check mark. And then I go and do the next piece. So I'm going to grab the purple piece. I'm going to rotate around a little bit, make sure, see if it'll let me take it out of here. And I'm going to click and drag to move it. It came straight out. It didn't go through anything, so that means it did good. I can move it other directions. And again, I can also add in some rotation. Okay. I'm going to rotate around again. Let's grab another piece. Go ahead and check mark that one to confirm it. Tweak. I'm going to take this orange piece. I'm going to make a mistake and start moving my orange piece that way. The reason I call that a mistake is because it went through my blue and green piece, and I don't want parts to go through each other. As soon as you notice you make a mistake, you can hit the red X and it will undo it and send it back where it started. So I'm going to tweak components again, take that orange piece, go ahead and slide it out of the way, go ahead and grab this blue piece, move it down. Now all my parts are separated. Again, I can add in rotations if I want to. And I can just leave that green piece staying still. I'm going to go ahead and finish that, and now let's play and see what our video looks like. So I'm going to hit play, and it's going to take the video apart. So it's going to show me everything I did. So it moves that piece out of the way and over, spins it, moves that one out and down, spins it. Orange slides out, blue slides down. Okay, so that's it coming apart, playing it in that direction. If I hit play in reverse, it will show the puzzle cube building itself, which might help people when they're trying to build it. So that is how you do an animation view. The biggest rule is just making sure that no parts go through other parts.